Thank you for tuning into the Equity Channel, where we provide the highest quality stock market analysis to individual investors. Before we get started, be sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications, because every time we drop a new episode, money is made. Last night we had an economic discussion where the question was asked, have we avoided a financial crisis? I hope every person in the audience was paying attention. After last night, I think it should be set in stone. The argument against the potential economic slowdown should be left to the individuals whose job it is to be on the other side of this discussion. The ones who get paid to be the devil's advocate in the economic community. For those who don't have an obligation to be a contrarian, but you still are, take a look at the leading economic index. Take a look at the Conference Board reports. Look at the back-to-back quarters and now about to be reported third straight quarter of plummeting corporate profits. Look at the average hours worked, the upcoming commercial real estate crisis, and the number of regional banks exposed to it. The fact that we as individual investors have access to this type of information should not be taken for granted. Let's put it to good use. Leave the fluff piece narratives and bull market call-outs to the Jim Cramers of the world. Let's do the next generation to come after us some justice. Let's not repeat history and be the generation that sat and bought new Bentley coupes when they should have been buying bonds and long VIX. The economic downturn is far from over. The market is far from done providing great buying opportunities. You want a prime example? Just look at AMD, because 9 days ago, you could have bought this stock at 20% above where it is right now. Those who bought then thinking that AI was the new magic pill have learned a lesson. I've spent my entire career trying to teach this lesson. Never overpay for stocks. Never overpay for anything. Things are worth what they are worth and nothing more. I have no fear of missing out because I never do. Math is math. To provoke a little thought, I'll leave you with this. Something you should think long and hard about. How much are you willing to pay for $1 of earnings 5 years away? The answer to that question will tell you a lot. I'm hoping the trading day treats you well and prosperity becomes you. Be sure that you subscribe to the podcast and turn on your notifications, because every time we drop a new episode, money is made.